Hello friends, in this tutorial I am going to cover few more operators in Java. Java operators are divided into 6 categories, and in this tutorial I am going to cover relational operators and logical operators. And arithmetic operators I already covered in my ninth video tutorial. So here is relational operators. Basically we are having 6 relational operators: equals to, not equals to, greater than, less than, and greater than or equals to, and less than or equals to. All the relational operators gives only two results, either true or false. So equals to operator is used to compare two values. If two values are equal, then it gives true result, and if they are not equals, then it gives false result. Not equals to is just reverse of equals to. If both value are not equal, then it gives result true, and if both values are equal, then it gives false. Similarly, greater than is used to compare that which value is greater, less than is used to compare less than, and greater than equals to operator is used to compare that the values are greater or equal, and similarly less than or equals to. So to better understand this relational operator, we will go through the some code. Just start our notepad and write a program class demo rel operator. In main function, let's take some variables like integer a comma b and take a boolean variable c. Just because all the relational operators gives result either true or false, so we need a boolean variable to store the result. Let's assign some value to the a, for example 20, and b equals to 10, and c equals to a double equals to b. So here is the equal to operator, which is comparing the value of a and b, that these values are equal or not. And for result, system dot out dot println answer equals to c. Save this program, save as type all file, and the name of Java file should be similar to the class name in which main method is written. So demo rel operator dot java. Save. For compiling this program, just go to the command prompt and go to the location where program is saved. So f colon cd java program and java c demo rel operator dot java. Just compile this code. There is an error. Okay, c. Save. Again compile this code. There is no error. And for execution, java demo rel operator, just enter. Here we can clearly see answer equals to false, just because a and b are not equal. A is equals to 20 and b is equals to 10. So a and b are not equal. If we give same value to a and b, both variable, in that case compile the code and execute the code. So here the answer is true. So now this double equal sign is used to compare the value. So here is a difference between single equal and double equal. Single equal sign is used to assign the value, or in this example a is equals to 20. It means we are assigning 20 value to the a variable. But here a is equals to b. It means we are comparing the value of a with b, that both value are equal or not. Next operator is not equals to, as I have told that it works just opposite to the double equal sign. So just compile this code and execute this code. So here is a false. Even the value of a is 20 and b is 20. Both values are equal. So this condition is false. And if we differ the value, in that case, compile the code and execute the code, this will give true. Now the next operator is greater than. Now this greater than operator is comparing the value of a to b. In that case, if a is greater than b, then this condition is true, or if a's value is not greater than b, in that this condition is false. So here we can see that A is equals to 10, B is equals to 20, A is not greater than B. In that case, if we compile and execute this code, we will get false result. And if I give bigger value to A, in that case, this will give true result. Similarly, less than sign, it is true if A value is less than B, like A is 10 and B is 20. In that case, compile and execute, it will give true. And if the B value is higher, if A's value is higher than B, in that case will give false. Now similarly, less than equals to, in less than equals to relational operator, if A's value is less than or equal to B. For example, if we take A and B equal, in that case if we compile this code and execute this code, it will return true. And otherwise, and even if A's value is less than B, even in that case it will return true. But if A's value is greater than B, in that case it will give false. And similarly, greater than equals to sign will work. If A's value is greater than B, in that case it gives the true result. And even if both value are equal, even though it will give true. And if the value of A is less, it will give false. So basically they all are the relational operator. Now come to the next operator, logical operators. We are having three logical operators: logical AND, logical OR, and logical NOT. Logical AND and logical OR used to combine the two or more relational operators, and logical NOT is used to complement the relational operators result. So to better understand, for example, let's take some more variables like D, or we can say D, and assign some value to the D equals to 30. So for example, I want to compare A's value with B and D. For example, let's take greater than sign, and better that you should place this in bracket, so it will reduce your confusion, and put AND, double AND operator. It is logical and another condition, A is greater than D. So here we are combining two conditions, A is greater than B and A is greater than D. It means if this condition and this one condition both are true, in that case this whole condition is true and it will give true in a C. Well, let's take A equals to 40. So A is greater than B as well as A is also greater than D. So both conditions are true. So just compile this code and execute this code, compile this code and run this code. So it gives true. But if I place 50 here and then I compile this code and execute, it will give false. It means if any one condition or both condition are false, in that case the whole condition is false. So logical AND operator is used to combine two conditions. Now take logical OR. For logical OR, pipe operator is used. Now this logical OR operator is also used to combine two or more conditions, but in logical OR it will give true result if both condition are true as well as any one condition is true. And this logical OR operator gives false if both condition are false. Just save this and execute this code. So we will get true condition because A is greater than B. A is greater than B. It is false. But if we check this condition, A is greater than D. A is 40 and D is 30. So A is greater than D is true. So this condition is true. That's why this whole condition is true. Now place another operator. Just place a not operator. Save this code. And the same condition is now false because this whole condition is true, but this logical not operator is complementing this condition and it gives false. We can also combine these logical operators to make a complicated condition. For example, A is greater than B or A is greater than D, and we can also use and D is equals to A, and similarly we can also use as many as we require. In that case, it is better to use parenthesis to distinguish the result. So for that, for example, let's place a parenthesis over there. So in that case, first of all, this AND operation will be performed, and whatever the result will be, either true or false, it is OR with A greater than B result. So if we don't place any parenthesis, then it will depend on the precedence of operators. So here is the relational operators and logical operators. So thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe in my channel for more interesting videos.